Sneezing is a fascinating reflex that serves as the body's defense mechanism. When irritants like dust, pollen, or smoke enter the nasal passages, the body reacts. The brain signals the diaphragm and chest muscles to contract, forcing air out rapidly through the nose and mouth. This expulsion can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, effectively clearing the irritants. Sneezing also helps to protect the respiratory system from infections. When pathogens invade, the body ramps up mucus production, which can trigger more frequent sneezing. Interestingly, sneezing can be influenced by light, a phenomenon known as photic sneezing, affecting about 18 to 35% of the population. In addition to its biological purpose, sneezing can be a social cue. A simple "bless you" acknowledges the sneeze, promoting social bonding. Understanding this reflex highlights the intricate ways the body maintains health and communication.